Now dictionaries, just like lists, are mutable objects. So therefore, just like lists, their contents can be modified. Now we can add new items or change the value of existing items in a dictionary by using the assignment operator, i.e. the equal sign. Now there are some simple rules to acknowledge and follow. So let's take a look at some examples. Now firstly, if the key is already present in a dictionary, then the existing value will get updated. So let's create a quick dictionary. So we'll call the dictionary my_dict, and we'll set this equal to a dictionary, so we'll start curly braces, and our first item will be the key apple with the price of 49p. The second item will be banana with a price of 69p. And we'll finish with bread as the third key, with a price of £1.50. Now if I wanted to change the value that's associated with the key bread, all I need to do is first access the key, which we know is done by firstly putting the variable name, so my_dict, and then in square brackets I can place the key's name. So here I can place bread. Now because we're looking to change the value of bread, we can then put the assignment operator, i.e. the equal sign, and we can set this to a new value. So let's put £2.50. So here, because the key bread already exists in our original dictionary, the value will get updated to whatever we stipulate on the right hand side of the assignment operator. So when we now look at the variable my_dict, you can see that bread has been updated to £2.50 accordingly. Now secondly, in the case where the key is not present, a new key value pair will be added to the dictionary. So if we wanted to add a new item, let's say pear, we can put my_dict and pass the new key that we want to add to the dictionary. In this case, we'd put pear in single quotes. We can then assign this a value. So let's say that pears cost 99p. We can put equals and then 0.99. When we now look at the values stored in my_dict, we can see that bread has been updated to 250 from the prior operation, and now we've added pear as a key and the associated value of 99p to the original dictionary. So changing elements is simply done by providing the key that you want to change and then stipulating the new value on the right hand side of an assignment operator. Adding elements is as simple as passing in a new key and then assigning the new key a value on the right hand side of the assignment operator. Now remember, the old value will be overwritten if the key already exists, so make sure it's an operation you want to perform before executing, as you may end up overwriting something that you don't intend to. So just take extra care when assigning something to an existing key.